on YouTube? R1 Rider coming back at you with another video. Today I've got Bikes on Water with me, also known as Nate, and I'm on the Grom. He's on his 600 F4i, and I was gonna take the R1 out, but I want to go practice little wheelies and stuff at the stunt lot. So I think we're gonna also meet up with Sean, and there might be a few more people there, not too sure, so we'll see. Bring y'all along with me. Nate's been getting pretty confident with his little power wheelies lately. Good for him though, good for him. Oh my god, ever since they opened up the state and all the state parks, man, just like everything went, you know, ape shit, and so much traffic, and everyone's coming in from out of town, and it's just like, oh, we got zero time without all these tourists, man. He actually used my motovlog setup to record his first actual motovlog, and if you guys haven't seen it, I'm gonna leave a link right here at the top. You guys can go ahead and click it right now. It should be like right here, like somewhere up there, right there. Click it, check it out, leave a comment, tell them R1 Rider sent you. This thing is screaming at 60 miles an hour with like less than 1,000 RPMs left. Thank God I got off today too for Memorial Day. I got a 3-day weekend. Feels good. Just making sure he's still with me. You know, I can lose him on the Grom. Absolutely I can. Boy, I'll Valentino Rossi this thing, son. I actually was on a turn and I scraped the whole peg because I was just that low on that one side. Yeah, try it on that. Whoop! Alright guys, and so we just arrived at Sean's place, waiting on him to get out here, and then we're gonna ride out. See you in a little bit. I have been recording and forgot to hit record. That is sad. But anyways guys, this is the stunt lot where people come. Sometimes they have drift events and stuff like that. Also where Sean crashed the R6. If you haven't seen that video already, I'm going to link it right now, and it's probably going to come across the top of the screen right here. Go ahead and click it. But yeah, this is it, and we've just been practicing wheelies back and forth and everything else. But I can't do second gear. It's just dropping RPM, so I'm probably going to have to upgrade the clutch springs or the sprocket something. But yeah, we've just been chilling and everything, and I'll check back in a few minutes. Alright guys, so sorry I forgot to record everything while we were in there doing wheelies, but we're just gonna head out. We're gonna roll down the red line, look at some of the bikes there. I think Bikes on Water is gonna look for a Senna. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys along with me. Look at that. The Grom that I wanted is still there. Alright guys, let's go look at that beautiful R1 that they got in there. Alright guys, so right now we are at Red Line, which is here in Myrtle Beach. Obviously motorcycle dealer. And oh man, look at these. Even that R3 looks bad. Even the R3 looks bad as hell, man. But what I really want is one of the the MT-09 or the FZ. Yeah, the MT-10 looks like an alien. This right here though, this is what I want right here.
Oh, it's an R6.
That's the new R6, yeah. Damn it, man. I'll give my left nut for one of these, bro.
That exhaust is ugly though.
Oh yeah, that would come off. It'd come off. One day, bro. One day. Yeah, look at how much they want for the R1. The R1 is so expensive, it ain't even got a price. Damn. Hey, what's up, bro? How you doing? CBR 1000 RR? Two of them. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna see you guys back here in a second, alright? Let me see, come here. Alright, you should be good. Yeah. Yep, wait for him. Say no more. Nearest gas station, nearest... Oh, actually, wait, no, we can't lose them, good, because then it's going to disconnect them. Oh, them right there. Yee yee! Let me hear you, yee yee! Yee yee! Lie. How you pull up, baby? Breno Lamborghini. Look, hey.
Yo, that's just crazy. Why is he flexing like that?
With a pistol on my hip. Ah, you bitch! Leave me alone! Don't bully me! Get off! What the fuck are they doing? This is... Look. No. Oh shit. Hang on. On the white line?
Yeah, he came in a little bit too fucking wide. I didn't do any damage.
No, it landed in the grass. You're good.
Really fucked up
That ain't nothing. No, that was already there. Yeah. All that was there. Alright. Well, fuck that. That could be just pushed back in. Alright. You're good. Alright, come on.
I'm in gear.
Yeah.
Dude, you came sprinting over here like you were freaking out. No, fuck it.
I saw it in my mirror and I fucking turned around in the grass and I ran back. Alright, hold it up. Get your hip on it. There you go. Back it up onto the road. Get out of the dirt. We'll assess the damage in a second. Hold it up. No, you don't. It's tipping. Here. Give me it. I got it. Yeah. Hey, you got that footage though?
I know. I was recording. Right on the front.
And it tipped over on that side?
Yeah.
Hey, thank God he didn't go all the way into the ditch because that's all water right there.
Dude, I did minimal damage to my bike too.
Yeah, hell yeah, dude. That's minimal as...
You actually laid it down and you got it to like maybe 15 miles an hour? Yeah, no, less than that. I practically fucking, I thought I was just standing up in the grass.
Are you good though? Are you shaking up?
No, I'm fine. I'm a little pissed that I did that.
Yeah, well, you got some footage though, bro. And your speaker fell out too.
Oh, okay. So listen, you still got a fucking bike. You still got a bike.
Yeah,
That's the only damage that happened from it right there.
Yeah, and this just has to pop back in. That it's slid out the thing.
I thought about fucking getting rid of that shit anyway. Dude, yeah. Fuck. Dude. You got
Dude, yeah, I saw it in my mirror and I just popped right off road and took off.
You were coming, I was giving you enough room, but I was right on the inside of you. I was right on that line. That white line right there, and I was about to go. And that's why I gave you all that buffer. Let's go.
Alright, yeah, let's not crash anymore. Holy shit. Are you sure you're okay? You okay? That shit's crazy, bro. I'm just so glad he landed in grass because that could have gone so bad. Especially if he would have low-sided and in the dirt or, you know, on the road.